Installation of transducer. Check transducer with echo sounder before installation. Put rubber packings if needed till transducer surface touch the bottom level. Use underwater silicone for installation. If general-purpose silicone use, it will be dissolved. Paste all rubber packings together. Insert transducer cable through hole. Use silicone gum inside the core. Use silicone gum around the rubber packings. Push transducer unit slowly till it gets fit. Tight nut from inside the ship. Get aerotide or silicone gum for seal the core. Apply gum well around transducer unit. Now it's completed.